Today, I, Dr. Sudesh Nare, would talk about the body changes that happens in pregnancy. कुछ तो एकदम obvious होते हैं, कुछ आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है, लेकिन अंदर से changes होता है. इन सब के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे. Stretch marks. Now, this is almost inevitable in pregnancy, especially with an Indian skin. Indian skin में जो collagen character रहता है, it makes the Indian skin very prone to getting stretch marks. Of course, commercially available creams है, lotions है. Sometimes your doctor might also prescribe some certain kind of cream, certain kind of oils to control them, but the trick is to start early. Sometimes it needs to be started as early as 12 weeks to get the maximum benefit. Pregnancy line. Now you might notice a very dark line coming from the belly button straight down. This is medically called as linea nigra. Nothing to be panicked about. Don't fuss about it. It just goes off almost completely after delivery. Bones and ligaments. Changes in the bones and ligaments. So as the pregnancy advances, the ligaments and the muscles, they kind of stretch, they get relaxed so that they can stretch to accommodate the baby, also to prepare yourself for the birth, especially in the last few weeks of the pregnancy. Yet this can give rise to a back pain, this can give rise to a duck-like walking, this can also give rise to pain while changing positions. Consciously कुछ positions avoid करना है, जैसे slouch करके बैठने का नहीं, कुछ stoop करके directly कुछ pick up नहीं करने का, and जितना हो सके सीधा चलने का. Also, physiotherapy and exercise will help you in getting relief from this pain a lot. Swollen feet. Now pregnancy में blood flow slow हो जाता है, इसके लिए पानी जमा हो जाता है, और dependent portions में जहाँ पे नीचे की तरफ पानी ज़्यादा जमा होता है, इसके लिए आपका feet swollen होता है. So these swelling in the feet should go off with a good night rest. Sometimes your doctor might advise you to put the put the feet on at a little elevated level. This should completely or significantly relieve the water retention or relieve the swelling in the morning. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छे से सोने के बाद भी swelling जाता नहीं है पैर से, या उंगलियों में स्वेलिंग आता है, या फेस में स्वेलिंग आता है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो ज़रूर आपके डॉक्टर से आप सलाह लें immediately. Lastly, I would like to leave a thought for all of you. I think it's time for the workplaces to see this unique, distinctive gift of nature to women more progressively, more inclusively, rather than being restrictive and regressive towards the pregnancy benefits and the rights. Do write to me at drsudeshnacares@gmail.com for any further queries. I will try and answer most of your questions in my Insta Live, drsudeshna.gynecologist. Thank you.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.